Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and just to mention, because I've got a lot of people worried about something. So, of course, some of you have moved to 22H2 before the official release, and that meant you had to go to the Windows Insider program. And some of you moved to the beta channel, some of you moved to the release preview. On the beta channel, there's two versions. There's 21.6.22 and 21.6.21. 21.6.21 is the official build. 21.6.22 is a build testing features for the future, but they both have a unenroll button on it. If you're on the release preview like I am, you also have an unenroll button. And a lot of you are worried because if you look at the latest build, which is the official version of Windows 11, if you're on 22.621.521, you still are on release preview. You still have queued for enrollment, and a lot of you are asking, why am I not out? You're simply not out because they decided that this is not the time to get you out right now. It might have something to do with the fact that next month we'll have some updates. So don't worry. That switch always works in Windows. So unless they have a glitch, this is going to unenroll you at some point. You are now officially on the standard version of Windows 11. So when that happens, it could be Patch Tuesday. It could be that next C-band update next month. At some point, you'll go there and you're going to see that you're back on the standard Windows 11. It's just leave it alone. You don't have to do anything about it. It is going to unenroll you anyways, and that's going to be fine. So just leave it like that, and you'll be okay. So that unenroll is not necessarily automatically the day that a version of Windows is released. It happened in the past a couple of times with Windows 10 that the unenroll didn't happen with the feature update release immediately. It unenrolled a little later, a few weeks later. So, of course, that should technically work. They don't put that unenroll button for nothing. So this will eventually switch you back to Windows 11, the standard version that everybody has for 22H2. So no worries. It's fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.